The Six of Cups brings a gentle return to innocence after the sorrow of the Five. Two children stand in a sunlit courtyard, the central symbol of the card. A young boy offers a golden cup filled with white flowers to a little girl who receives it with quiet wonder. Their exchange is unguarded and sincere, representing emotional generosity, trust, and the healing that comes from recalling simple goodness. They embody a moment untouched by fear or expectation, the rediscovery of the heart's natural openness. The first supporting symbol is the 6 golden cups arranged throughout the scene, each brimming with white blossoms. Their orderly placement conveys harmony, balance, and emotional stability. The flowers signify purity, goodwill, and affection offered freely. Their whiteness reflects spiritual clarity, while the number 6 emphasizes restoration and equilibrium after emotional disruption. The second symbol is the figure in the background, typically interpreted as an older person or guard walking away. This presence represents the adult world, responsibility, duty, or even past burdens, stepping aside to allow a protected space for innocence to re-emerge. It suggests that the heart is momentarily free from worldly pressures, held safely as it reconnects with gentler emotions. The third symbol is the village architecture: stone walls, a small arched doorway, and sturdy houses. These structures indicate security, familiarity, and belonging. They evoke a sense of home, an environment where love was once learned and can be learned again. This stable backdrop shows that emotional renewal often unfolds within supportive surroundings. The fourth symbol is the children's brightly colored clothing. The boy's red tunic expresses warmth and vitality. The girl's yellow garment reflects openness, light, and curiosity. Together, they signify authentic feeling, emotion expressed without pretense or guardedness. Their simplicity reveals the essence of the card, the return to a heartfelt, uncomplicated way of relating. The fifth symbol is the warm golden light bathing the entire scene. Unlike the shadowed sorrow of the previous card, this sunlight represents hope, clarity, and gentle awakening. It illuminates memory not with longing but with nourishment, showing how the past can heal rather than confine. In readings, the Six of Cups signals nostalgia, reconciliation, kindness, or emotional renewal. It invites a return to simplicity, trust, and heartfelt exchange. It teaches that the past, when held with gratitude, can restore the present.